In 2015, Flipkart faced a massive problem and it almost cost them millions of users. So during that time, people were using slow internet connection like 2G and 3G, and the website of Flipkart was very much slow to handle all of those loads. And their native app was too heavy for people to install. So Flipkart had one choice, either to go on to their slow website or let users install their heavy native app, which most of the users could not afford to do. So they decided to move with some crazy solution, which is progressive web application. So PWA is basically something which works on web but feels like native app. It is faster and more easy to use. So rather than waiting for seconds, 10 seconds for the page to load, it just loads immediately. And how does it happen? There are many things behind it. Last time we saw how Flipkart worked on offline mode on 2G and with barely any data. So how is that even possible? The answer is service worker. So service worker are basically the middleman between your application and the internet. So whenever you make any API call or get any image or any event, it goes to the service worker and it will check if it's already been fetched previously or not. So it checks the cache, and if the cache storage already contains it, it will just get the same. And if it's not, it will go onto the network and save it as a cache. And the craziest part is this service worker works on a separate thread, which is different from your application. So your UI doesn't get crashed or it does not get slower. And how does this service worker gets managed? It is managed at the browser, which is at OS level. And browser is a native application. So we will see how does browser handle this thing and how does push notification also works in similar application. Follow so you don't miss it.